Hello YouTube, it's WattD586 here. I'm going to show you something really cool I just found out. I knew there was an auxiliary wire there. I was just showing you that. But it has 8,231 miles on it. Went on the trip about 5 days ago. We got back Friday. So I'm going to show you this really quick demonstration. I got so many songs here. I'm going to do one of my favorite ones of all time to show you it works. Okay. You can also turn it up by this.